Viewers and subscribers, go on. Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Mavado son to talk about, Valiant, and also Tyra Spaulding. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself like always. Remember, leave a subscribe and leave a like. Yeah man, make a jump right into it. So we're going to kick it off with Mavado son. Viewers and subscribers, Mavado son, I go on with a bag of things on the media. Yeah man, remember at the same son that was behind bars and them let him out. Viewers and subscribers, the youth like him a pick side with Skeng and him a diss up the 6th camp. Viewers and subscribers, pre-war go on. So this was Dante IG post. This is what he posted like a day ago, and the caption says, anytime them ready man, fool them with a 7, a 6 sign and a gun sign. Yeah man, the gun is behind the 6 and I'm supposed to know what that mean. Knock it on a 6. So viewers and subscribers, the youth a pick side with Skeng, and on don't know say Skeng, don't say 7. Yeah man. And for those who didn't know, Dante produced a song for Skeng. Yeah man, and the song is entitled Red. So you can clearly see where it says producer Dan Brooks record. So you can basically understand why the youth go pick side with Skeng and say knock it on a 6. And you don't know say the 6 and the 7 been at war for a good while now. Yeah man. But I just want the youth them to wise up and do the right thing and low the badness, because this war between the 6 and the 7 it not going nowhere, but only jailhouse are 6 feet under. So hope the youth them wise up and focus bro and low the badness, cause I know everybody the badness I go fit. Anyway, you see me go, me can't me go. And we full up on the weight like particle. Now we reach over on the side of Valiant. So viewers and subscribers, Valiant was on TikTok live when BlamDem joined the live. And you can clearly see that Valiant wanted to end the live with BlamDem. And when you don't know say BlamDem found a lot of problems behind the name, and BlamDem always bring down people. Yeah man, so Valiant basically never want all of the problem there to circle him. Him only was trying to promote his music and his tour. Viewers and subscribers, just pre-war go on.
Oh, Valiant, wrap it up, PK. Where you going with?
Yeah, we are going with BlamDem.
Remember say I step me not get no problem, man. Me not any fuck with. Remember me know you know.
Tour, me promote my music. Me not promote no cussing.
Me tell you say me not depend no cussing. Remember say me you know, if I hear saying say mad people know off mad when fi mad and when not fi mad. If I hear don't but you know fool. Yeah, you know see me they promote it. Wrap it up, PK. Wrap it up, PK.
Family, but.
You know see me Dr. Jake sir. Add him.
No, BlamDem.
Me not add him, my boss. Alright, my father.
Alright. I'm Jake can go pan. Me can't manage the drama. You know you don't know. Music me I promote. Me just drop a song with me and C9. I feel chopper them. Chopper gospel. Listen to it and tell me if you rate it. If you
alright, go listen to it.
Let's say
alright, my boss.
Alright,
I'm go and promote the song them man. See me. Now watch your face. Now sir.
You know say your time soon.
Yeah man, they the man my father man. How are you man? Cause you know. Alright, cool.
Yeah man, so the entertainer was just trying to promote his music and his tour when BlamDem joined the live. Viewers and subs, like I said, you don't know BlamDem fought with a lot of problems behind him name, and Valiant just try to avoid the problem and just focus on himself, because you don't know from getting at the mix up, people are going to call him. So big up to Valiant and big up to BlamDem. You see me? Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, just leave on a take in the comments. Yeah man.
Boy, I'm fighting for my life over here. I feel like I need to go out and do something, because my mind is trying to kill me. And if I do nothing, I am going to die, guys. Every day I get up, my mind tells me to go and jump off a building. It tells me to go and overdose on pills. It tells me to go and hang myself. I am fighting for my life. Where do these thoughts come from? I don't know. I have no idea. They're my own thoughts, but do I want to be having them? No. Do I want to die? I mean, it would be easier, than having to deal with the...
So big up to Carib Loop on this information. So it says the police have launched an investigation into suspected suicide of 26-year-old accountant and former beauty pageant contestant Tyra Spaulding. Spaulding, who competed in the 2023 Miss Jamaica Universe pageant, was reportedly found by relatives on Tuesday night with a curtain tied around her neck. The Corporate Communications Unit, CCN, has since confirmed that a probe is underway. So viewers and subscribers, it is said that Tyra Spaulding committed suicide at 26-year-old. So, she been a battle a lot of things, and as you see in the video that I played earlier, you can see like she have some issues, mental issues. You see me? So it seems like that's what caused her to, So you don't know. My condolence goes out to her family and friends, It's not a good, feeling. But she been a cry out. When me hear so far, she been a cry out for help. And, it's like nobody never pay attention. Nobody never pay attention until it's too late. You see me? But my condolence goes out to our family, friends, and, loved ones upon a whole.
Ups and downs of life, but boy, I don't know, but all I know is right now I'm fighting for my life. And right now I'm just trying to do anything I can that will either distract me, I don't know, give me temporary motivation. I don't know.